So, hi everyone. As you all know, Kimi K3 has been released and it is the biggest AI model released so far with 2.8 trillion parameters, 1 million context length, and it's a huge release for the day. It is available to use for free on kimi.com as you can see on my screen. The link is in the comment section below. And in the short video, I'll be showing you the difference between K3 Max and K3 Max Swarm. These two versions that has been released by the team. As you can read, K3 Chat and Agent Flagship All-Rounder, while K3 Swarm is massive search, batch processing, and more in one go. So let's try out both the models. Let me see how does it work. So let's get started. Help me summarize every Cricket World Cup. This I'm doing using first K3 Max, then we'll check it using K3 Swarm also. Thinking this will take a while. As you can see, it's a single agent that is working. It is, let me show you the thought process of the model right now. Should I ask a clarifying question? The request is fairly clear. Summarize every cricket World Cup. Do I need to search? My knowledge covers World Cup till 2023. This is historical, time stable information. As you can see, it is able to summarize it. I've got multiple things. Let me see how does it output this. It is taking some good own time. And yeah, every cricket World Cup at a glance. This is I'm using K3 Max, the latest model, 2.8 trillion parameters and max version. Key story timelines by era also. This is a very interesting add-on that the model has done. So it is not just outputting the winner and runner-up and the final venue, but also some key stories that happened in that particular World Cup series. Sri Lanka Sharks and then Australia Empire. As you can see, now let me do K3 Max Swarm and we'll ask the same question and let's see how does it work on it. We'll ask a few more questions and let's see how the two versions differ, K3 Swarm and K3. This I'm using K3 Swarm now, max version. So basically it's massive search, batch processing and more in one go. The user is asking me to summarize every cricket World Cup. As you can see now, that's the interesting part. In the first K3 Max, it was just summarizing the ODI World Cup, the men's one. While in case of this one, ODI World Cup, T20 World Cup, men's and women World Cup also. It is including, so it is more wholesome in the output, what it is assuming. Let me plan. As you can see, the difference is very starkly different, clear. Multiple agents working together to get to an answer. Do I need sub agents? Given the structures, never merge research and writing into one stage or one agent. As you can see, the way K3 Swarm is working is very different. Plan.md is getting created, spawn one explore research sub agent has been created by it. Actually, where do I need web search too? The facts are extremely well established. I'm enjoying how it is operating. Agent 1, Agent 2, and Agent 3. It has created multiple agents also internally. So this is how K3 Swarm is way ahead and way different from the just the K3 version. As you can see, it is writing plan MD to different files, document structure, and let me see how does the same prompt gives us different outputs on K3 and K3 Swarm versions. K3 is the biggest LLM that has been released so far with about 1 million contexts, and for sure, I think even the benchmarks also will say that it's the best LLM released so far comparing with GLM 5.2. I assume that it will get beaten out once the benchmarks are released too. As you can see, plan for parallel data collection on T20 and other stuff. I'll help you create a comprehensive summary for every cricket World Cup. Let me set up a quick plan, verify the historical facts with parallel search, and produce a polished document for you. This is crazy work. I think now you can see there is a stark difference between just using the LLM and using K3 Swarm, that is a pool of AI agents. Right, do. recruiting agents. The work has started now, and that is why I like the Kimi.com, because here this Swarm facility, as you can see, massive search, batch processing, and more in one go. So it is not just a single agent or a chatbot, but a lot more. It's an entire package that will help you complete your task with using multiple agents. Swarm, 3 agents are running now. Just to summarize things for me. And as you can see, Kimi Computer has started browsing the internet, and 3 agents have been created. Executing task, Ethan is there, Fair and Seven. So we are back with the final report created by 3 agents. As you can see, this is the most comprehensive it can get, and you can see the stark difference between K3 and K3 Swarm. Every cricket World Cup a complete summary, and this includes Men's World Cup, Men's T20 World Cup, Women's World Cup, Women's T20 World Cup also. So 4 World Cups rather than just one. As you can see, this was the first part. Then they've given a detailed summary also of each World Cup. I think it is very similar to the output produced by K3, but in more detail. And K3 completely missed out the other 3 parts. Part 2 is the Men's T20 World Cup. Part 3 was Women's World Cup, and part 4 is Record Dynasties and Legacies. This is way more detailed, way more in the way I wish to have it. And if you look at the files, it has created multiple files also. Docx file is there and a complete summary for you. So I think that yes, if you look, it has generated an entire report for you that you can share with your managers or with anyone you want to share. So Kimi K3 Swarm is the OG output. It is taking about 10 minutes to produce the entire output compared to K3 Max. But I think given the comprehensiveness, I think it's any day's choice. You should go. K3 Max is time taking, more token consuming, but more comprehensive outputs, mostly for detailed reports, while K3 is more like an LLM, giving you just the surface level answers. With this, it's a wrap. I hope you try out Kimi K3 and Kimi K3 Sam both on Kimi.com. Thank you so much.